One of the most powerful things about Adobe After Effects, and which is the same reason why I enjoy teaching it so much, is basically the ability to import most files, and that also sustains the capacity to cross-integrate with other applications. So for example, new to this version of Adobe After Effects CS3 is the ability to import Swift files, which is of course the Flash recommended Swift SWF file. And basically After Effects makes a really good job of understanding those files, and we can have a look at what other file types it can import. So what we can do is, if you go to File, Import, we can say Control I or Command I on a Mac, and I'm just going to select a folder, and what I'm going to do is go to File Types, and we can see all of the various different types of file types that basically After Effects can import. So it can import camera raw files, which is a proprietary tag for a DSLR without compression, and we can even do direct show, things like GIF. We can also do things like PNGs, which is fantastic, and we'll have a look at how those work. We can also directly import PSD files, which is Photoshop files, so we don't have to compress them, flatten image, we don't have to compress them into JPEG or whatever. We can just bring them back in. All we need to do is save the Photoshop file and just simply drag and drop it inside After Effects CS3. So it's that basic seamless integration between applications. So we can import Flash files through SWF, Swift files, and we can import Photoshop files using PSD. We can also go, if you scroll down, you can see the Swift file is there as well. We can also import Windows media files as well if we wanted to do that. So we've got WMA and WMV. We can also insert WAV files and a number of different video files, and this works really well. I mean, After Effects makes a really good job of understanding how these files work once it's imported. We can also bring in Maya files if you're really into Maya as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So we can actually bring in some of that footage and work with the Maya file and include a number of effects exclusive to After Effects and let our creativity kind of run wild, if you like. So that's a really good feature inside CS3, and we'll be capitalizing on that, and I'll show you a bit more. We'll be working a lot more with Flash Swift files and Photoshop files as well.